Welcome back to my YouTube channel Khan Life, and today we are going to unbox this iPhone 12 mini blue 128GB which I bought from the Flipkart at the rate just rupees 44,749 only. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the invoice. Let's check the actual price of the iPhone 12 mini in the Apple website. So we will just go to the apple.com. Now here we will click on the iPhone 12. Now we will click on the iPhone 12 mini. We will choose our color, which is blue. Now after that we will choose our capacity 128GB. Now again we will check all of these things which we have already choose. iPhone 12 mini, no trade in, color blue and capacity 120. Now look at the price, 64,900. It approximately 65,000 rupees in the Apple official website. This is the 20-watt fast adapter. Now we will unbox this iPhone 12 mini. Capacity is 128GB, color blue. All the other specifications also mentioned here. We will just let it go. Look at this beauty. This is the cutout of the box for the camera. And now let's check out what else in the box. This is the USB-C to lightning cable, and we will connect with the adapter. This is the fast charging adapter 20-watt. And the common paperwork which is given by the Apple with every product, Apple sticker and some paperwork from the Apple. And this is the SIM ejection tool, and that's all. Look at this beauty. These are the camera, ultra wide camera and wide angle camera. Now we will peel off this white paper. How soothing it is. This is the camera and sensor which is mentioned at the top of the phone. Perfect from the logo. Straight away we will jump into the connection area. Now here we will choose our connection, which is Wi-Fi. Now phone is unlocking through Apple server. It may take time, so you have to wait here. Just have patience and it will be unlocked soon. Now we will click on data and privacy. Face ID will set up later. Passcode we can also set up later. Just click on again terms and condition. Now click on express setting. Keep your iPhone data backup. Just and no. Just click on all of these things which are coming on the way to set up your iPhone. Here we can check true tone display. If I'll click on the true tone setting, it can show you the two contrasting between the one image and the second image. And welcome to your iPhone. Here it is, your iPhone. Now let's straightway go to the setting and click on the general, then iPhone storage, and here it is 128 GB. 11 GB is already occupied by the iOS software. Look at this blue gorgeous beauty. Thanks Flipkart for this iPhone, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share.